You've made a significant commitment and investment in marketing automation, with your sights set on creating a well-oiled demand generation machine. Expectations run high as ROI takes center stage and results are paramount. Now what? Meet Coffee and Dunn. To get the most from your marketing investment and achieve true alignment within your organization, the right partner is crucial. Coffee and Dunn has a proven track record of improving adoption, effectiveness, and alignment within marketing technology implementations. Coffee and Dunn's three-stage plan, build, run process gives you a distinct advantage when it comes to competing and winning in today's marketplace. Plan, you say? Our experienced team understands marketing and the utilization of cutting-edge technology solutions. Our experience across many industries can help you chart a course to efficient, smart demand generation. Let us build your modern marketing engine while you keep the car on the track. Working closely with our technology partners, Coffee and Dunn can tailor your marketing solutions to boost your bottom line. Now, run with it. Our work doesn't end with planning and building optimal marketing solutions for our clients. We get the most out of your marketing technologies through efficient marketing execution, analytics, and continuous optimization. There's no time in today's business world for second guessing. Coffee and Dunn reduces the uncertainty that persists with virtually every marketing technology implementation, while maximizing the effectiveness of your digital marketing capabilities. Embrace complexity. Create simplicity. Market fearlessly.